Now let's change the background. To change the background, screen dot fill and set the color of background. Then also set the clock ticks. We have not initialized the clock here, so let's do that as well. So let's create the clock first. And set the frame per second ratio. Now let's create the object which we want to move. Suppose I want to create a circle, then pygame dot, in the draw method, in the draw class, you will get all the drawing primitives. And you have to pass the surface on which you want to create a circle. So screen. Then you have to pass the color of the circle. Then pass the coordinates, that is x and y. And dynamically this x and y coordinate will get updated based on the key hit. And then pass the radius. Then update your screen. So pygame dot display dot update your screen. And then finally quit your application. Pygame dot quit. Okay. So let's try to run this program and let's see. Invalid syntax. Yes, because we have not terminated this by colon. Expected an indentation. Yes. Tab is expected because indentation is necessary. We got the output, but again we got an error. Keys is not defined. Okay, so the problem is we have written here hit. So actually I should write hit here instead of keys. Because whatever the key will be pressed, that will be stored in this variable, and in this variable we have to check which key is basically pressed, and based on that we have to take the action. Okay. So we can restart and clear the output. Run this. Still it's not responding because there must be some problem. Okay, so let's go through the code one more time to check what is the problem. Pygame init clock, then mode, caption, true. Then let's see all the events. Let's put some delay here. Let's see if that works. Okay, then events, get event type, running. Then we are going to check the status. Hit. Okay, it's fine. Screen.field. Yes, it should be in the form of a tuple. So restart it. Run this. Okay. So I'm pressing R key. So it's moving to right side. I'm pressing B. Bottom key is not working. Top key is working. Bottom key is not working. So let's check what is the problem with bottom key. Yes, it should be Y. Now let's run the code. Now I'm pressing the bottom B key. It's going bottom, top. I'm pressing the left key. Now I'm pressing the right key. Okay. So now let's change this clock ticks and see what happens. Okay. So this is, in this way you can control your object with the help of event handling, and with this, with the help of event handling and different techniques. So in this way you can create object and move the object, and you can also control the object.